Hi, to turn on the on-screen home button on your iPhone 16e, firstly open Settings on the phone. Now start scrolling down to find Accessibility, and after that you need to select this Touch section. Now from the list we are interested in this first section, AssistiveTouch. So if you would like to turn on the on-screen home button, then you want to turn on AssistiveTouch by tapping on the switcher. And this is this button. You can tap it once and choose to go to home screen or maybe open Control Center, or you can click on device, rotate screen, lock it, use volume up or down buttons, and so on. If you want to use this button just to go back to home screen, then you can select this single tap in Custom Actions and choose to go to home screen. So let's just find it in the list. And this is it. Click it once to select, go back, and now if you tap this button, you will go back to your home screen no matter in which app you were. You will always go to home screen. Additionally, you can set double tap action, for example, to open camera, like that. You can also set long press, you can customize menu if you decide to leave menu, and you can also create your own gestures here, change opacity and so on. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.